The next chapter is about India and its neighbors. In this chapter, children, we are learning about the unity in diversity in India and its neighboring countries. The next is about location of India. Our country, India, is located in the southern part of the largest continent, Asia. You can see the picture here. It is the seventh largest country and second largest in population. Next topic is features. Features of India. India is surrounded by water on three sides. That is the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. The southern part of India is known as peninsula because it is surrounded by water on all the three sides. That is Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. Next feature, India has a variety of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, valleys, plains, rivers, deserts, and coastline. Next feature is about landforms. India has a variety of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, valleys, plains, rivers, deserts, and coastlines. India can be divided into five main regions, that is the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Thar desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains and islands. You can see the picture here, the Himalayas, that is the northern mountains. You can see here the northern plains, that is below the Himalayas, that is northern plains. Third landform is Thar desert. It is on the west side of India. This part of India is known as Southern Plateau. It is also known as Peninsular Plateau. Children, you can see some green color on map. That side indicate coastal plains and islands. So children, India can be divided into five main regions, that is northern mountain, northern plains, the Thar desert, the peninsular plateau, and the coastal plains and islands.